Hello, everyone. During this session, we will understand the first use case, which is how to configure a text file for attendance. Sometimes, there is no direct integration available for attendance. When this happens, you can download the attendance data as a text file from the Biometric machine and then upload it into the Onfinity system. This ensures that all punch records are accurately captured in Onfinity. Let's begin with the manual attendance upload use case. Here, we will learn about the required format to successfully import attendance data from a biometric machine into the Onfinity system. We are looking at a scenario where a company needs a digital attendance tracking system to replace physical logbooks at multiple office locations. This system needs to support real-time updates and centralized data management. Human resources requires a solution to automatically collect and consolidate attendance data from different departments and branches. This solution should operate without needing manual visits to each location. The system must automate the process of consolidating attendance records into a centralized format, reducing the risk of data loss, misplacement, or calculation errors due to manual transactions. Payroll management requires a feature that verifies attendance data in real time to resolve discrepancies promptly. This is necessary, for example, when an employee reports different work hours than those recorded in the logbook. To meet compliance requirements, a centralized digital record-keeping system should ensure accurate and easily auditable attendance records that can be reviewed by auditors at any time. This outlines a simple flow where we will use the text file. First, the process begins by creating a standard text file format that is configured in the biometric device. Let's proceed with the use case execution. Here, the biometric text file must follow a specific format. First, the employee number should be represented by 7 digits. The sequence 00490365595 must appear exactly as is. This is a mandatory default value in the file. This is then followed by the date and time, in the order of year, month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds. For more clarification, we will move to the next page. Here, you will see a text file. When downloaded from the biometric device, the file appears like this. Let's explain the format. Here, you can see the first 7 digits in this text file represent the employee number. The next 10 digits are a default number. Next, we have the year, month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds. You can see in the format that it is exactly the same as explained in the detailed format. Here, you can observe the 7 digits for the employee number, then the 10 digits of the default value, followed by the year, month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds. You do not need to add any spaces in this text file, as it will be downloaded exactly as it is from the biometric device. This concludes our manual attendance upload use case for today. Thank you for attending.